Sometimes the AI starts generating content before we want it to. This can happen when we're not quite explaining ourselves as well as we could, or when we haven't provided enough context. Let's say we fired a zero-shot prompt like, generate an outline for a well-optimized article. This could be interpreted literally by the AI. In that case, it will generate an outline for a well-optimized article, choosing a random topic, when in reality you probably already had a topic in mind. Now, this type of prompt almost always made the AI jump the gun and go ahead with its own examples. But these days, in most cases, the AI will actually ask you for a topic and even for the target audience. This is because the AI learns continually from user input. This problem also arises particularly when using the voice app, and I'll get to that in a moment. Now, asking for articles is common, but let's say your prompt is less common and the AI starts generating content before you want it to. If you find yourself in this situation, the best way to stop this from happening is to end your prompt with an instruction for the AI to ask for input, like this. Generate an outline for a well-optimized article. Ask me to input the topic of the article before you generate any content. Now, when using voice functionality, this issue can happen even more often. Let me show you an example. I'm going to ask the AI to generate a story about a boy who likes trains, but I want the story to be for a 4-year-old. Let me show you. Tell me a bedtime story about a boy called Alexander who likes trains. It's already processing.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by vast green meadows and winding rivers, there lived a boy named Alexander who loved trains. His passion for trains wasn't just a hobby, it was a part of his daily joy.
Now, I can tell you from experience that the story as it goes on is a bit too complicated for a 4-year-old to understand in terms of language. And that's why I wanted to specify a reading level. The truth is, sometimes when you're giving voice commands, you need a little pause to think. And that's when the AI can jump the gun. So here's the way to fix that. Please wait for my instruction before you speak. Please generate a bedtime story about a boy called Alexander who likes trains. The story should be for 4-year-olds. Please speak.
Once upon a time, in a small, cozy town, there was a 4-year-old boy named Alexander who loved trains more than anything.
That's how you fix that problem.